Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to visit a Chinese temple that keeps a real snake inside. Yes, real snake inside, believe me. Come and join me to discover the enchanting snake temple, also known as Tian Hock Kung. Sorry if my pronunciation is not correct, please excuse me. This temple is located in Klang, Selangor, Malaysia. This unique Chinese temple stands out for its numerous snake sculptures and the real snake kept in a cage within the temple. The architecture of the temple features intricate carvings and sculptures of snakes, dragons, and other mythological creatures. The exterior walls and pillars are adorned with a fine wall sculptures, making it visually striking attraction that draws visitors from near and far. It's conveniently located near the Klang Third Bridge. The temple is easily accessible by car. Visitors are encouraged to take their time and appreciate the intricate carvings and sculptures throughout the temple. And don't miss the chance to see the real snake in its enclosure, a highlight for many visitors. Overall, the Snake Temple in Klang is a fascinating cultural and if you are interested in architecture, culture, or simply curious about this unique temple, the Snake Temple is a must-visit destination. Keep watching the video till the end. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos.